Welcome back. It's another day, another recipe, and this time we're making a super fast breakfast from the 1950s. Come join me in deep frying some deliciousness. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney Morris. I cook historical recipes that people have forgotten about. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you enjoy today's recipe. And today we are talking breakfast. Now this one is going to be something near and dear to our modern hearts. We're cooking French toast, but with a 1950s-esque twist. So I needed a quick dinner idea and nothing was coming. So what do you do when that happens? You make breakfast for dinner because that's just what we do here. So French toast it is, but I found a book called A Collection of Creole Recipes from 1951 by Jean Leblanc down in New Orleans, and he put together this compilation of old-fashioned and traditional Creole recipes. And did I want to do jambalaya? Yes. Did I want to do gumbo? Yes. Do I have time to do that? Absolutely not. I have time to make French toast and scrambled eggs. So when I came upon the deep-fried French toast recipe, you had me at deep fried because that's just what the South does, and I am so here for it. So we're gonna get going on this. Let's go to the stove. So we're gonna make our batter now, which is a little bit different than our normal French toast that I know of because we are now deep frying it. It almost seems to be like it would be more of like a beignet, like a poor man's beignet kind of a thing, but we'll see. Anyways, quarter cup of flour, 1 egg, and half a cup of milk. There's no cinnamon, no sugar, but I suppose the sweetness comes from the syrup or the honey or whatever you put on top. And then we will mix this around until it gets nice and smooth. Okay, that's battery enough. It almost looks like a tempura. I'm going to use my cast iron pan because I figure that's what they do in the South anyways. And it says to have fat for frying. And right now the easiest thing I've got is vegetable oil. Not the best option, but it's what I got. While my oil's heating up, it says to cut the crusts off the bread, which I think is a shame because I love homemade bread crusts and I think it's kind of a pity, but I will do as the recipe commands. I'm not sure exactly what makes this Creole, aside from the fact that French toast is French, and the Creole people have a lot of French heritage in there. So maybe they've just been making this forever, and somebody then decided to deep fry it. Like I said, you had me at deep fried. Okay, that looks small. But all right, I think we're ready to start frying. I hear the oil bubbling. I'm gonna move the camera over. All right, so we are going to take our bread and it said to coat it on all sides. Okay, we're gonna go in for the flip. Oh, this better taste as good as it looks. Ouch, that's hot. Look at that. I love it. I love it. Okay, if you want a quick dinner, this is amazingly fast. It took me from start to finish probably about 15 minutes, only because I was switching cameras around and stuff. But if I wasn't filming this, it was basically French toast, and frying didn't take any longer than just doing it regularly on a griddle. It looks like a beignet. It's crunchy, like, I don't know if you can hear that. I'm kind of excited. It smells like a donut. So I'm gonna take a bite without the syrup first, because there's no sugar, there's no cinnamon, there's no seasonings. Okay, it's fair food. That's what it is. It's like an unsweetened elephant ear. I like it. Okay, let's try some with syrup. It tastes like a maple elephant ear with a little more substance to it. I love this. Personally, I think this is better than normal French toast. Think of the possibilities of what you could do with this. Like, you could put cream cheese in the middle of it, or like a pumpkin butter, put two together and like mush it down on the sides and then fry it, and then get stuffed fried French toast. I may need to start another channel so I can document how on earth I gained 400 pounds. This is really good. And I'm going to mess around with these. I think this could be a really, really fun breakfast item all the time with different fillings. All right, if you've made it this far, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. I try to upload every Monday with a new historical recipe for you. And please leave me a comment. I love to hear from you, and better yet, leave me a recipe. Either send it to me emailed in the description box below, or send it to me in the comments. Either way, I would love to try out your old family history recipes. All right, well, I'm gonna leave it here for now so the kids can go eat these things. They've been staring at me for a little bit, so it's dinner time for them, actually. So I will see you next Monday. Thank you for watching. Bye.